Hey everybody, it's Coach Mia. Just wanted to shoot a quick video because I am in what is usually sunny Southern California. It's the middle of July and I just happened to look out my home office window and see this. I'm just happy and grateful that I do not have to be out on the roads in this weather today, being caught off guard. And I can simply sit here and make money from home. If you guys have not registered for the next live or replay webinar on my website to get all the information on how we generate 2,500 or more every week working from home, do so now. Click the link below or go to workwithmia.com. Take care. Talk to you soon.